Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful heart photo frame. So I will show you how to make a stand, how to make the shadow box frame, and how to do the beautiful filigree work, that is quilling work, to fill this shadow box. And inside this you can just slide your photograph very easily from top. Isn't it looking very unique and beautiful? So without any further delay, let's get started. First I'm taking here pink color cardstock, which measures 17 by 5.5 centimeters, and from this side I have creased on 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So first of all I am folding all the creases and burnishing it very well using bone folder. Bone folder is very must tool if you are a crafter. It gives you very nice crisp folds each time to make your work more perfect. So burnishing is done. Now from left side I am just marking on 1.5 centimeters. Till the second crease line, I am marking again on 1.5 centimeters. Similarly repeating on right side and marking it on 1.5 centimeters. Then I am joining these markings till the second crease line. So this is first and this is second crease line. Very easy to follow. And diagonally I am joining this point with this one till the third crease line. Similarly repeating on this side. And then I am just cutting the pencil part using scissors. And then fold everything together and create a pipe kind of shape. So we just need to stick first flap with the last one. And this is done. One side of the frame is ready. Similarly I have prepared one more with the same measurements. Now again I am taking one more cardstock strip which is 17 by 5.5 centimeters, and on this side I have creased on 1.5, 2, 3.5 and 4 centimeters. Again folding all the creases and burnishing it using bone folder. And folding it like this. So I am just connecting the first part with the last one. Burnish it very well. And the pipe is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more pipe of the same measurements. So all over 4 sides of the frames are ready. Now it's time to attach all them together and constructing my shadow box frame. So the frame is ready. Very easy. Now I am here taking 5 mm pink color strip and just attaching the strip from all four sides from outer edge to make it more finished and to hide the corners. So just adding glue on all four sides and sticking the strip. And this is done. Similarly, I am going to attach strip from inside edge of the box, and the strip is attached from inside too. Then it's time to decorate it from top using this beautiful pattern paper frame which I have cut using the paper pack by Little Birdie. I have given all supply links in description box if you want to purchase anything, and if you are purchasing from Itsy Bitsy, you can apply the code Shivani5611 to get 5% extra discounts. So the frame is ready. Now I'm taking 17 by 17 centimeter pink cardstock, and I have just marked in the center, and this is the heart shape which I cut on 9.5 by 9.5 centimeter rough paper. So I'm just tracing this heart exactly in the center of the cardstock. Like this, and then I'm just cutting this cardstock using paper cutter and scissor. And this is done. Now I have added double-sided tacky tape from the outer sides of the heart. I'm just removing the liner and sticking one piece of acetate sheet on top of this to protect our photograph. So it will look like this from front. Then I am taking one more pattern paper which measures 17 by 17 centimeters, and from all three sides I have added double-sided foam tape. So I am going to attach my heart cutout on top of this, and it will work like a slider mechanism to slide our photographs. And then on top of this I am going to add my shadow box frame. So I have already added glue on back side of the frame, and I am sticking it with the base. And this is done. So here I am taking 14 by 14 centimeter cardstock, so you can just add any photograph from top like this and just slide it. Very easy. It's working perfectly fine. Now I am starting with making the stand. So here I am taking this pattern paper strip which measures 32 by 5 centimeters. I have just creased it on 5 centimeters, 22 centimeters, 26 centimeters and 30 centimeters. If you don't have that much long strip, you can just attach two papers together. Now I am folding all the creases and burnishing it using bone folder, and it should look like this after burnishing. So I have already added tacky tape on both the ends. I am just removing the liner. Now taking back my frame, and on back side I'm just finding out the center of this so that we can attach the stand exactly in the center. Now eyeball it exactly in the center and then stick from top and from the bottom. Burnish it and the stand is ready. It's working perfectly fine. If you want to gift it, just flatten this, put it in the box and it's ready to gift. Very easy to store as well. So the frame is ready. Now it's time to make the paper quilling work on this. So for first shape, I am taking here half strip of peach color. This is a dark peach color in 3 mm and making one dome shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So according to that length, you can take your strips. I'm just filling the dome using glue, spreading it using brush, and I have already prepared some more domes. So I'm taking back my frame and I'm just adding these domes around the heart shape. Now to start with next shape, here I am taking two 1/4 strips of red color in 5 mm and just gathering it together, fold it from center and twist it in one direction to make the scroll. Just opening the scroll, cut the excess strip from the bottom and secure it using glue. Similarly, I have already prepared some more scrolls, and this dome is made using half strip of off-white color, just like the dark peach. These tight coils are made using 1/4 strip of yellow, and the remaining shapes are same. I'm just showing you one. So here I'm taking half strip of pink color in 5 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared in white color, pink color and dark maroon color. Some of the bended teardrops are made using one strip, which are longer. So all the shapes are ready. So here I have already decorated one corner of the frame and I will show you how to decorate the other corner. I am just trying to do the mirroring image. So I will start decorating it using some scrolls and some bended teardrops. Just I have taken some glue in the surface and using the tweezer I am just putting it on the glue and sticking it directly. There is no rule that you have to decorate your frame in the same way I am decorating. Just I am showing you the way you can use these shapes and create your own design. Just you need to fill each and every part and you have to balance every shape so that it will look nice to the eyes. Then I am adding some domes and tight coils. Like this. Now I'm adding maroon color bended teardrops in the bottom to fill this gap. And the half portion is ready. Similarly, I will do the top portion using the same patterns and same designs. It is very easy to follow. And after adding the decorative part on the top, it will look like this. It's looking absolutely amazing. You can fill the small areas using tight coils wherever required. Isn't it a great idea and unique idea to gift it in the anniversary or Valentine's Day? And you can simply slide the photograph from top very easily. Very easy to operate. And this is very light in weight. And the photograph you can attach inside this should be 14 by 14 centimeter. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.